Holy moly. Wow, guys, this is great. Great to see. I just came back to the charts. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions that will help you get more than accelerated on your journey of day trading. This is an actual skill that even a child can learn. You see, once under your belt, this becomes a life-changing money-making skill that will never go away. So as you watch the following video, think about being able to change your family's life by putting in the effort to learn something new. In today's day and age, everything is at your fingertips, and that means it's also all in your hands what you want to be. The only question is, how bad do you want it? Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so we got in on a trade right here and see how this goes. Hopefully we're not going to get wrecked back to the sell side or back to the fair value gap from before. So we're just going to watch this out, watch to see how this plays out. And hopefully we go back to the buy side. But I mean, we could definitely go to the sell side right here too. We did go halfway to this last whole leg of things, this whole bearish leg of things. So we could definitely come lower, but I guess it all just depends on price, and we'll continue to try and read it accurately. Alright, so we just dealt with some drawdown, and I guess we still technically are in some, but we're basically break even right now. So we're just going to see how this goes back. We do like the fact that we did retrace from right here, and we retraced from inside of this fair value gap. Let's mark that out here for you guys. This fair value gap right here was what we noticed that we retraced into. So we like that. We found some foundation and some footing right here with price. So hopefully we can take that higher. So we'll just continue watching and see how things play out from here. We're getting a little bit of momentum to the buy side up here, but price has really just been slow today. Not a whole lot of movement in the overall price action, so we won't expect too much. So we've got slight movement here, you know, something, you know, is better than nothing, but we're definitely seeing something happen right here in this 5-minute candlestick here. So we'd like for this to keep going. It's very slow. Yeah, it's just been moving extremely slowly, and then as you can see, the last candlestick dojied out, so we really went nowhere for a good 5 minutes. And then yeah, now we're doing this right now, so we'll just continue watching and continue to be patient. Looks like we're starting to get some nice movement to the buy side so far. I mean, we're still overall kind of stagnating, but based off of our entry to where we are now, it is looking nice. You know, it's looking like a good points so far. 471 is where we got into, and now we're around jumping around 486 or so. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be crazy movement to get some nice profit, but yeah, it is nice to see that play out, and if we can go to some higher points in this market, we can definitely get some nice profit in here. But yeah, we're just kind of weary. Obviously, it's a no news Monday, and we are coming up on a macro, so we're just watching to see how price behaves, and hopefully we can continue to get some nice profits here, and we don't just kind of fizzle out as we're going up to this buy side here. So yeah, we'll just keep watching. So we are really starting to see some nice momentum kind of picking up here as we're going up to the buy side. Looks like we are, you know, starting to attack some of these previous most recent highs right here. So that's what we want to see. I do want to see a strong push pass here. A strong rejection here would not be a good sign, but yeah, we'll just keep watching here. This candlestick closes in about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, so hopefully we can see some change within that time frame or so. Okay, a nice update on the trade. We are creating new highs, it seems, right now, so we do love that. We love to see that. Yeah, we're standing on some nice profit as well, so yeah, just keeping an eye on this trade. We are somewhere at 493, 494 levels, and again our entry was at 470, so we're coming close to about 30 points. Nice move, and love seeing the way this trade is working out. If you'd love to be able to trade like this and make basically really an infinite amount of money just based off of whatever your risk tolerance is, go ahead and check the link in our description. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions, which I think was great for me. That helped me learn to be a profitable trader and fast, because I was able to learn from somebody who's already doing the right things and already has been learning and also knows what to look for in the market. So go ahead and check the link in our description as we are kind of coming back down here, but I'm still pretty confident in the overall price action. I know what to look for, and you know, the thing about price is not everything is going to always be the most picture perfect scenario for entries, but we can do what we can to get pieces and chunks of the market. So I'm really liking this right now. It's super slow though. It's really just dragging here, and that's probably one of the things that I hate the most about trades like this. But hey, can't complain about being up in profit like this. I will say though that for the amount of things I want to get done in my day today, I might end up cutting this trade sooner than later, because I have some appointments that I gotta take care of. But yeah, we do love seeing this, and we're just going to hope that price really starts to take off here in the next few moments. So we just had to deal with this right here. Price basically went all the way back down right here. Strong push down, took out some previous lows, and I ended up adding to my position. So that's kind of where we are right now. We're gonna see if that turns out to be a good idea. I think it should work out. Hey, we could always be wrong. I moved my stop down a little bit back to previous lows of this strong candlestick right here, and yeah, still watching that this fair value gap is being respected and that we are still overall trying to go to the buy side. So that's what we're doing right now, and just a quick update as things have gotten a little rocky in the last few moments. So yeah, just letting you guys know how this trade's going. We'll see how this goes. So it looks like as of right now, we're retracing back to the buy side, and price is creating some highs right now. So we just want to see previous highs get taken out too. But yeah, we're looking pretty nice, especially since we added to our position. So this is some nice movement that we're seeing still so far. Let's see if we can take out some of these highs up here. This trade has taken quite some time. It is what it is, but yeah, looks like we're getting some momentum here to the buy side. I just want to see some nice displacement upwards. Yeah, we need to move up with some good strong pushing, and I'm just like analyzing where my take profit is. I don't know, I might end up taking profit before then, but yeah, you know, it definitely could be worth it. We still like this movement though, and we're happy to see where things are going. We're about this is around 492, entry was around 470s or so. So yeah, you know, we're looking pretty decent so far. Don't love the fizzling out that we're seeing up here. We took some highs up here, and now we're kind of fizzling out. So yeah, not in love with that, but hey, we'll see and watch how price continues to behave here. We want to see new highs being made, but if we're not, then you know, we might end up being starting to be a little bit more bearish in the short term, and I don't really feel like writing that out so much. So yeah, we're just watching still. Holy moly, wow guys, this is great to see. I just came back to the charts. I had to step away and do some things, and I came back to my take profit being completely smashed through. I'm so happy to see that. Yeah, let's go ahead and see how much we made. $1,220 on this trade. Wonderful. And of course, hey, we're duplicate trading on 10 accounts, so we'll do the math later, but we're looking at a above 10k day today, and we're so happy for that. Now this trade could have definitely been more than 1,000. I actually moved my take profit because I was stepping away, and I wanted to leave it at a spot where I felt would have more of a chance to be hit, and so that's what I actually went ahead and did. I moved my take profit from above at these levels where it is like currently to this high over over here at around 512, 511. I did that because there's a fair value gap right here, and I was assuming that, you know, we'd probably have some type of resistance showing up here. So I just went ahead and put my stop there. And as you can see, based off of what price did, it did take that high, and then it did slightly retrace there, but then ultimately went back higher anyways. But hey, we're glad. This is a no news Monday, and we still walked away with a $1,200 trade, 10K day. And hey, well, I have nothing else to complain for. This was great, and I love the way that we traded. I love the price action. And yeah, as far as my take profit was, you guys saw my take profit was at these lows, at this candlestick's low right here. This level was always being respected, and by the time I left, funny story, we were actually coming to my take profit, and we were just ticks away from it, and I assumed that I was going to get taken out of this trade. I just didn't want to see it happen, and I said, you know what, I have to go to an appointment, but hey, if I end up getting taken out, no big deal. And I actually did not. We just wicked close to it and then shot off into the races. Just look at that, like, just amazing price action right there. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like and subscribe, share this with someone that you think might enjoy it. And if you want to be able to learn how to trade like this, go ahead and check the link out in our description. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions where we'll be able to look at the way that you're currently trading, enhance it, and really give you what you need for that last push to become a profitable trader. We'll go ahead and dice that out and make sure that you become one. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.